The world is changing faster than ever, and one story stands out today, an unfolding journey that has captured global attention. Imagine waking up to discover that a single decision, made behind closed doors, has the power to reshape the way millions live, work, and dream. Reports are pouring in, analysts are weighing their predictions, and everyday people are sharing their raw reactions. The ripple effect is undeniable, sparking debates in boardrooms, conversations at dinner tables, and endless speculation across social media. Some call it an opportunity, others warn of risks, but one thing is certain: no one can ignore it. This is more than just another headline, it's a turning point that will be remembered years from now. The question isn't if it will affect you, but how soon. Stay tuned, because this story is only just beginning.